The new Mulsanne V8 engine and drivetrain is hand-built at Crewe from over 700 individual parts and takes 26 hours to complete. The team consists of 16 engine builders who on average have been building engines for over 16 years.
The 6 3/4 litre V8 develops 505 brake horsepower, and a massive torque of 1020 Newton meters is now delivered even earlier at 1750 RPM. The new lightweight forged crankshaft with 5 main bearings is lowered into the crankcase by hand. The 8 lightweight pistons are installed by hand into the cylinder block. All of the assembly work on the Bentley Mulsanne V8 is done by hand. This is even down to the application of the individual spherical end caps into the pushrod assemblies. To achieve a significant reduction in fuel consumption and CO2 emissions, the Bentley Mulsanne V8 sees the introduction of 2 new control systems, cam phasing and variable displacement. Engine refinement and smoothness of delivery is absolutely crucial at this stage. Engine balancing is achieved with measurements of less than 1 gram. Every single engine is run on a dynamometer to ensure that power and torque meet specification. Each of our V8 engines is individually crafted, with every one carrying the name of its builder. Upon completion, the engine, differential, front and rear subframes will now go to the assembly hall to meet the body for the final stages of build.